Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two popular replacement blades for electric shavers. In the left corner, we have the RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads, and in the right corner, we have the Philips Norelco OneBlade Replacement Blades. Get ready for some serious shaving action. Let's kick things off with the price. The RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads come in at a wallet-friendly $16, while the Philips Norelco OneBlade Replacement Blades are priced at $24. When it comes to performance, both these replacement blades have their own unique features. The RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads offer a 360-degree shaving experience, ensuring a clean and painless shave. Plus, they have a round head design that protects your skin from any unwanted scratches. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade Replacement Blades boast a revolutionary blade that delivers a fast and clean shave. The coated blade reduces razor burn, and the rounded tips protect your skin from nicks and cuts. So whether you're looking for a gentle and painless shave or a quick and efficient one, these replacement blades have got you covered. Now, let's talk about versatility. The RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads are suitable for various Philips shaver models, including the Norelco Series 3000, 2000, and 1000. They even work with the S738, S1211, and S1560 click and style shavers. On the flip side, the Philips Norelco OneBlade Replacement Blades are designed to be used wet or dry, with or without foam, and can even be used in the shower. Talk about versatility. Durability is always a key factor when it comes to replacement blades. The RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads recommend replacing the shaving heads every 12 months for optimal performance. This product includes 6 replacement heads, ensuring you're covered for a long time. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco OneBlade Replacement Blades claim to last up to 8 months with just 2 blades. That's some serious longevity. The RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads received positive reviews for being easy to install, fitting perfectly, and working well at a great price. However, some reviewers mentioned that they were not as sharp as the original brand and may cause occasional discomfort. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade Replacement Blades received high praise for their quality, superior shaving experience, and clean results with no discomfort or cuts. Reviewers also appreciated the convenience of the packaging and fast delivery. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to consider your specific shaving needs. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the RF Rolling Fit SH30 Replacement Heads and the Philips Norelco OneBlade Replacement Blades in terms of price, performance, versatility, and durability. Now it's up to you to decide which one suits your shaving needs the best. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know which one you prefer. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying tips. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.